Are you serious? Go against me, your fucking head will be caved in. Don't get my gloves dirty.
Oh, I got a white shirt.
Face, man, face, come on.
I'm not hit him. What is this? I'm not wrestling in the mud.
Are we seriously doing this right now?
Yeah, let me get back up.
The fuck, dude?
What?
You're so muddy right now.
Ready, Vogel?
He just rolled around in it. It was back. Oh my god. Your gloves are covered in mud.
Yeah, I'm gonna fucking kill him.
You got my nose once.
Hey, you going against me next. Bare fist, you. Yes. Dude, I'll pay you.
Go.
I will. He's going to. He's going to.
I got $1. Are you kidding me? I don't know about the mud.
You're bleeding, bro. Your forehead's bleeding. Give up?
What kind of a punch was that?
It's like slap.
Uppercut, uppercut. Done?
Uppercut. Come on, Chilton. Hit him.
Uppercut. Uppercut. Done?
Winner,
Done?
Joey. That's it.